Hey everybody, Gears here. In a previous video I had talked about how the ramp there was not quite smooth, and I was thinking maybe if you got a piece of styrene in there, layered it in, it would work out. My initial thought was I could just put a piece of styrene over here and mark it out with a pen. What I forgot was I'm not a four-dimensional being that can reach from the inside to be able to get that angle. Then I realized I could use contact paper, so I drooped it over the edge here. The problem is the droop in the middle, which was next to impossible to get rid of, caused bowing at the edges, which threw the form off. This thing took 3-4 cuts to get just as thin as that, and that was not fun. This is 40,000th inch styrene, maybe millimeter, 2 millimeter, I don't know, somewhere in there. And cutting that with a non-specialized scissors was a bear. So the notion here is that I'll get some Avis putty and patch from there to that point. This side overall looks pretty good. Let's get an even better angle on it. And do a little patching right there, and hopefully done. Let's see what it looks like with a little primer. Very little primer, I'm all out. So there we go, some patching right there, and this will be done. Get a little more primer over here, and I'll see how that looks. And I'm pretty sure this side is pretty good, but I'll take one last look at it, otherwise this part of the whole thing is done. The new surgery here, this is bang glued from behind. It's could do a little more glue right there, I guess, but otherwise it's now a matter of just seaming all this with some JB weld, make this curve a little more elegant in there and there. The way this opens up on the roof, just about here to just about there, cannot be taller than this weather stripping. I'm going to fill in beyond this weather stripping at that level. Curve this just as a little bit as I can. Flute maybe, I guess it would be. And otherwise, scrub this side down, get it ready for another final gloss coat. Oh, back here. So this area needs just a little bit of cleanup, as you can see. Fitting the wing to this, there's going to be a trick to it, and that's going to be its own set of videos. I've leveled off this pretty much to see how tall this deck is. I'd like to get it a little taller. I don't know that I will at this point. And then this guy here, just shave it in like a 1/16, 1/8 of an inch, just like that, and I think it's good enough. All of that's looking nice. Oh, and this scar. I can't see the video screen here, but yeah, from all the way up here, down there, you got down to here, kind of fades away right in there, and then comes back with a bit of a vengeance right up into here. Otherwise, it's just little bits of scratches. That should sand out with some 400 grit. And yeah, all in here is great. All of this deck is good. It's really shocking to me how fast this all came together. And the other side had a couple scars that wouldn't quit either. I don't quite remember how I got rid of those, but they did eventually go away. At worst, if it doesn't go away with relative ease, I think the next JB weld will take it down, but I can always go to the casting and then fix the casting. It'll be even easier, possibly, than fixing this. So yeah, a little bit of fill in here. Oh, yeah, that's not too bad a look at the seam, huh? Looks huge. But it'll go. And so will that. Thanks for watching. See ya.